welcome back to Angie in Wonderland, and today I'm going to share with you guys a Walmart beauty box. This is that beauty box that comes in, I always forget how often this thing comes, every 3 months or so, seasonally, like spring, winter, summer, fall, and I believe this one's probably their summer one. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to share with you guys what I got, and it is $5 for the subscription, so it's definitely worth it. But this is a pretty little box that it came in, and I love the little paper. Look, it's like flowery Hawaiian-ish paper, so pretty. Gives you just a bunch of little like a coupon and some interesting information. This one is a Garnier. This is a made with, this is a 3-in-1 moisturizer day night mask. Little sample of that, which is really nice. And let's see, I'm going to bring you guys down so you guys can see all of the stuff that comes out of this box. Okay, so like I said, this is one of the little samples that they give you. It's a day-night mask, 3-in-1 smoothing cream, which is really, really nice. And then they give you some other little information. And then this is a damage repairing treatment 1-minute hair mask, which is really nice. I never really used hair masks. Have you guys ever used hair masks before? Let me know what you guys think of them and if they're really, really worth it and what they really do to your hair. But anyway, just a little sample of a hair mask. And then this one, ooh, now this is a mineral bath soak. This is from Village Naturals Therapy, aches, pains, cold, and allergy relief. And you just put this in the bathtub, which is really, really nice. We like stuff like this. I have a whole bunch of it in my bathroom. And then this one is a donkey milk skin gel mask, which is really nice. I have so many face masks. I really need to try them and try them out because I get so many of them. This one looks really, really nice. And then then they give you some, these are wet wipes, gentle and clean wet wipes. These are really nice to keep with you, like in your purse, when you're traveling, anything like that. That's why I like this Walmart beauty box, because of the samples that they give you and the stuff that you can actually use and try and sample and leave with you in your car or your purse or your travel bag. And then lastly, they give you this, Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner sample packet as well. I've never used this stuff, but it's definitely worth trying if they give it to you for free, right? So anyway, I like it. I really liked what I got in this box this time as well. So alrighty guys, if you guys enjoyed this little Walmart beauty box haul, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys actually subscribe to the Walmart beauty box, what did you guys get in your box this month? Because I know sometimes they're a little different for each person, so I was just curious to know what you guys got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye.